going to show you how to do this dude named Michael, Tik Tok's friend, which is very, very popular. And actually, it's easy to learn. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and also activate the notifications by clicking the bell down below. And now let's go. By the way, this video is mirrored, so it's a lot easier for you to follow. And now let's get started. So this trend is a little bit different. It's filmed in a duet, so it means that each part has different moves. So the first part we're gonna learn is the part that is at the right. So let's go, and then we're gonna practice the one that's at the left. So they're almost the same, just there are some different moves. Let's go. The very first part is we're gonna pull towards us from the left, like that. 1, and then back, then pull again, and then our hands go up to the right, down to the left. Once again, pull, pull, up, right, down, left. Okay, now what we're gonna do is, so then the left part is gonna go like this. So we're gonna pretend the left part is pulling us towards the left. So we're gonna go 1, like that. We're gonna slide, and then we're gonna twist our leg. So first it's gonna be like this. Our knees are gonna face towards the sides, and then we're gonna do like a circle with our hand while our leg twists, like that. Perfect. Now, what we're gonna do is, we're gonna put our legs apart again as they were before, and we're gonna go 1, 2. So, both our hands are in front of us, and we're gonna twist our right leg, and our right arm goes towards us, and then same with the other hand and leg, 2. Okay, let's do it from the beginning, and we'll move on. Let's go. Pull, pull, up, right, down, left, slide, circle, 1, twist. Now, what we're gonna do after this is, we're gonna put our hands towards us, and we're gonna go 1, 2, 3. Once again, 1, 2, 3. Yes, so our hand goes down, down again, and when we straighten our hands completely, we are gonna stand on our toes. So it's gonna look like this. 1, 2, 3. Once again, 1, 2, 3. Once again, 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Now, after this, what we're gonna do is we're gonna cross. This part is gonna be very fast. We're gonna cross our arms. Then we're gonna bump our fists. Then we're gonna go 1, 2. We're gonna clap, and then our fingers go down, up. So let's do it slow once again so that we remember. Cross, and then bump, then 1, 2, clap, and down. Okay, once again, a little bit faster. Cross, bump, 2, clap, down. Okay, now you'll just have to practice it, and we're gonna do it at this speed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Now let's do it from the very beginning, and we'll move on. Let's go. Pull, pull, up, right, down, left, slide, circle, twist, twist, 1, 2, 3, and cross, bump, 1, 2, clap, and up. So after this, we're gonna put our hands over here, we're gonna open, close, and then we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're gonna do waves. So there are gonna be in total 4 waves. 1 to the left, to the right, to the left, to the right. Once again, left, right. Perfect. And now, our left hand is always gonna be bent in front of us like this. And our right hand goes circle, circle, 1, 2. Perfect. Now, after this, what we're gonna do is go 1. So basically our hands are like this, and they're gonna do a circle, like that. Okay? 1, and then first we're gonna go 2, like that. So we're gonna open our fingers, and they go to the left, and then we're gonna go pop our shoulder, then our hands go behind our head, and we're gonna go twist, twist. Now, let's do it from the very beginning, and we'll move on. Because for the right part, we don't have much left. Let's go. Pull, pull, up, right, down, left, slide, circle, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, cross, bump, 1, 2, clap, and 2, open, close, wave, wave, 1, 2, circle, 2, pop, twist, twist. Okay, so after the 2 twists, what we're gonna do, it says sleep, so we're gonna go do this, that's if we were going to sleep. Now we're gonna bounce, and then it says something about calling, so we're gonna go 1, do a circle like this, and we're gonna go 1, 2, like that. We're gonna flip our hair. So, once again, from here, we're gonna go sleep, then call, and 2. And now, the very last part from the right part is 1, 2, 3. So it says bang, bang, bang. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3. That's it. That's the whole right part. Now, let's do it once again from the beginning, and we'll move on to the other part. But don't worry because it's as easy. Some moves are exactly the same. Let's go. Pull, pull, up, right, down, left, slide, circle, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, cross, bump, 1, 2, clap, and up, open, close, 1, 2, wave, wave, circle, 2, pop, twist, twist, sleep, call, flip, and bang, bang, bang. And now, we're gonna go with our left part. So let's just do the very first move. So while our right part pulls, we're gonna go 1 when it pulls towards it. We're gonna go 1, then we're gonna go back. When they pull again, we're gonna go 2, and then when they go like this, we're gonna go up, to the right, down, to the left. Once again, up to the right, down to the left. Once again, up to the right, down to the left. Perfect. And now, when our right part does this, we're gonna pull towards us, and then we're gonna do the same thing, like the other part. Circle, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, cross, bump, 1, and clap, and up. Open, close, 1, 2, 3, 4. And now we're gonna do the same circle as before, but instead of doing it to the right, we're gonna do it to the left. And then this part, it goes to the right, okay? And now, we're gonna pop up the same shoulder that the other part pops, and we're gonna go 1, 2. So instead of putting our hands behind our head, they just go down. And then it's the same thing. Twist, twist. And then we're gonna go sleep, call, flip, and then when they do bang, 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 we're gonna go 1, back, down, and we go off camera. That's it. So we're gonna practice it from the beginning. Once, and that's it. Now we have both parts, and the only thing you'll have left to do is film first the right part, and then do a duet with the right part, so that you get both parts. So let's practice this part from the beginning. Are you ready? Let's go. Pull, pull, up, right, down, left, pull, and circle. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, cross, bump, 1, 2, clap, and up. Open, close, wave, wave, 1, 2, circle, 2, pop, down, down, sleep, sleep, call, flip, and bang, bang, bang. That's it. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure to give me a big thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe, and I hope to see you soon.